I want to show you this, Coach. This thing is absolutely amazing. This is a Heritage Glen by Wildwood. It's part of their Elite Series, and crazy, Coach. You won't believe it on the inside, but even on the outside, we've got slam doors, which used to be a motorhome only thing. Tons of storage in this thing. I mean, it's wide open from side to side, which is really cool. Great place to store your fishing poles if you like to fish like I do. If you look back here, we have another huge storage area, again, side to side all the way through. And check out this cavern. This is absolutely amazing. You have a refrigerator, you've got your outside kitchen. On the other side, there's a storage tray that you can pull out so you get access to everything. I always put my firewood on that. Works really well for me. There's an outside shower over there as well. Back here, you've got your outside TV so you can watch your games, watch the race, whatever it is that you do. Again, all slam door storage area doors, which is absolutely incredible. We've got huge awning on this thing, tons of slide outs, but we're going to get right to the good part because this is absolutely amazing. As if the storage wasn't good enough, look at this kitchen. Number one thing people are always upset about in RVs is countertop space. Look at the countertop space in this thing. I mean, this is just incredible. This sink is very, very deep, huge rectangular sink. Faucet just like you have at home, cooktop, side-by-side RV refrigerator, but look at this pantry. I mean, this thing is just loaded. It has everything you'd want at home. You've got your microwave right above your cooktop. You've got your oven right underneath it. Again, side-by-side refrigerator. This front living room is just incredible. TV right here.
Let me join you.
Hey, Mitch. Mitch is back.
Everybody.
Check out this TV. When you're traveling, you put it down. When you're where you want to be, you put this thing up. And it's just amazing. What I love about this floor plan, yeah, this is a 36FL Heritage Glen, if you're wondering which one it is. Again, 36FL. What I love about this, Mitch, though, is you have a window out front, too.
Yeah.
So if you're not watching TV, you put this thing down and you get even more light, which just makes it absolutely incredible. But I'll let you talk. You're the expert.
Yeah, I mean, not only that, you've got fireplace up here, sound bar, and then you just got, backlighting, underlighting, and it just looks awesome. What I like about the floor plan, I don't know how much Dave has told you about it, is the big separation, right? So you got two beds here, sofas that go out to the double beds, so you got sleeping spots if people want to come, theater seating directly across, and then as you come down, awesome kitchen, right? So your living room, kitchen, half bath. The half bath's really nice.
That might be my favorite feature.
Well, yeah, because once we get to the bedroom in the back, you're going to see a full bath. So now your friends, family, and stuff don't have to go through your bedroom and use your bathroom as well.
Yeah, I mean, just it really just, this thing is crazy for your own privacy.
Yeah, I like how they use solid surface countertops. Have you been to the back yet?
Not yet.
Yep.
No.
Come on back here. I'll show you guys. So as you come up, you're going to have king bed, full walk around, right? You've got storage all over here, hanging cabinets, pull out cupboards. Then as you come to the very back, there's your full bath, right? So when we first come in, you're going to notice you've got a big closet that can be used for storage or a stackable washer and dryer. So you can literally live in this thing full time, put a washer and dryer in there. Huge shower with a seat, stainless steel sink, a lot of counter space, and then plenty of room right here for your toilet, which is porcelain, and it is a foot flush as well. So specs wise, it's coming in at 43 foot 9 inches. Total weight, basically, you're at 12.6 dry. So, bigger truck can pull it. 3/4 ton to 1 ton. Should be able to pull this really easy.
Mitch, Mary wants to know, what's the price on this thing?
The price, give me a call. So we've got different specials running today. So if you give me a call at 937-843-4380, one of my team members will help you out. They'll look up the pricing because there's extra rebates and everything running right now. I believe they've got them down with the discounts and everything down in the 60s. So they'll be able to pull that up and look at that for you for sure.